Hi, my name is Detroit Miracle, and this is one of my night moves. Hey folks, it's about to get more darker. Yeah, I believe in making these type of movements because you get by easier at night than you ever would in the daytime. And I am certainly one of those people who's always on the move. I figure that certain types of naturist creatures are more predatory at night than they are in the daytime. Yes, but the way I figure, no one ain't trying to bother no one that they don't have to bother at any particular time. And I'm the type of dude that could be just as hostile as any predatory species. So I'll be like, if you mind your own business, I might mind mine. What, they got blankets out here? Wow. I think I found another piece of heaven out here. Even the air is different. It seems like, well, it appears as though the nighttime has more freedom than it does in the daytime. I know there ain't no night in the daytime, but you get my meaning. Hey, you have to be out here with me in order to experience it through its fullness. Even though people would fear the nighttime, those same people would turn around and also delight in its many particulars. Yeah, just ask that guy that was making out with that girl in a pickup truck. But I ain't trying to tell his business. Look at all those dreamers inside these homes. Do they really know what they're missing? I believe many of them are missing out on something wonderful, that which is the nighttime. Yeah, as I said, I'm out making a move. I do not intend upon this move being too painstaking or time staking on me. Well, if y'all approve of this message, just drop those likes, comments, and add up those subscriptions to Detroit Miracle. Oh, and fear not the dark.